To my channel, I have come again with another amazing update. When I say amazing update, it is very unique and amazing, so you need to stay tuned and watch me taking you through on how to actually do this amazing update. What we are actually going to do is I'm going to show you how you can actually do triangular arbitrage of Europe fiat currency versus USDT, and how you can leverage on it and actually make cool cash. A lot of you don't know about this update, so I actually want to show you this. But before I get into the video, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, do well to like, share and subscribe to this channel, because you will be getting amazing updates like this all the time. You know, in this channel I promote everything that is legit, but mind you, this kind of arbitrage does not work every day. Before you jump into the arbitrage, please do your own research before you jump into the arbitrage, because it is not all the time that it do work. It work depending on the market, and it is unlimited. It can make you up to 5,000, 9,000, 10,000 every single day if you go into the market at the right time. So without wasting much time, let's start this arbitrage with 100 USDT. So you can see with our 100 USDT, we will pay the sum of 110,289 naira. I'll have that at the back of your mind. So let's move to another step. After buying your USDT, you need to come down to trade here. You now click on trade. Once you click on trade, you can see I was already on this arbitrage, so I actually want to do this again to actually show you that it's still working right now. Once you are here, what you need to do is you now insert the amount of USDT you have, which is 100 USDT. Remember, we cut our 100 USDT for 110,289 naira. So what you need to do is to insert your 100 USDT. You see, insert your 100 USDT here, you have 94.3 euro. You have two options, either to swap it here or to use the convert option to actually swap it. So after that, just have it at the back of your mind that we have 94.3 euro with our 100 USDT. So let's move to another step. After converting your USDT into your euro fiat currency, what you need to do is to come to where you see more. Just click on it. It's going to take you to this interface. You can see on top, you see deposits, you see buy crypto, you see P2P trading, and you see fiat deposit. Click on the fiat deposit and wait for it to open up. Okay, now click on buy crypto. Okay, can you see the interface now? Make sure that it is on one click buy. Okay, make sure that, see, you see on the top, can you see on the top that it is on one click buy? Just allow it there. So what you need to do is to click on this your NGN here. You are saying here, click on the NGN and change it to EUR, that is Europe fiat currency. Once you click on it, you need to navigate to where you see euro. You can see it on the top. The Bybit function actually recommend it, so you click on the euro, just leave it on the buy amount and insert our 94.3 euro. Our 94.3 euro will give us 100.3 USDT. And you know, when I'm doing my updates, I don't hide anything from you guys, because I wouldn't benefit anything from lying to you guys. This update I'm actually showing you guys is limited to VIP only. You can see the VIP benefit. It is only VIP that benefits from this update. But if you can actually click on the VIP benefit and you can complete all those criteria, so you are eligible for this update. Without wasting much time, let's go and see how much we are going to make from this. So let's go to our P2P and sell this off. Now that we are back to our P2P engine, what you need to do is to click on sell here. Once you click on sell, it's going to take you to where you are going to sell your currency to merchants who are willing to buy from you. What you need to do is to search for the amount you actually want to. Let's insert here 100,000. Okay, click on confirm. All right, can you see there is a merchant who wants to buy your 100 USDT at the rate of 1100.90 naira. So what you need to do is to click on the sell button. Once you click on the sell button, you wait for it to pop up or load. While I want to show you the final step, please, if you like this kind of content and you want to be making money on a daily, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share and also turn on the notification button, because you will be receiving updates like this anytime I post. So let me go to my calculator and I'll actually calculate this and show you the potential profit you will be making if you actually complete this update. So let me go and show you this on my calculator. Okay, the merchants actually want to buy our USD at the rate of 1100.90 USDT. Let's say 1100.90. Let's multiply it by the amount of USDT we have, 100.3. You can see we have been able to make 110,420 naira. 110,420. 110,420 naira minus 110,289. You can see you will make a profit of 131 naira, and you can actually repeat this on it is unlimited. You can do this often and often. So if you like this kind of update that I'm showing you guys, please do well to like, share and subscribe to my video. But let me also shock you that in the morning when I was doing this arbitrage, it was actually I made a profit of 1,000 something. So I actually said let me do the video for you guys in the evening, and the market has reduced, so I only make a profit of 100 naira. So but in the morning I actually made up to 1,000 something. So that is why I said in earlier that it depends on the time you enter into the market. You might be lucky to enter into the market when the profit is still huge, and sometimes it might get low. So that is just it. So anything that is about arbitrage, it you need to make a research first before you jump into it. So that is all that. Thank you very much.